What's going on, folks? It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, July 12th. It's about 10 minutes to 8 o'clock here in the morning. I am in Rockville Centre, New York. I have an existing residential client whose maintenance agreement actually they let lapse in May, and they have an emergency. There's water coming from the second floor ceiling. They believe it's coming from the air handler. It's going to be an expensive service call. Oh, I'll carry that.
Oh, well, I told you I had it. I feel like you upstairs. Sorry.
It's okay.
This is where I've seen people go into.
All right, you manhandle that ladder.
Oh, well, yeah, I usually live here alone, so.
Okay. I believe your daughter showed me the leak in the ceiling there, so I'm just gonna.
Sorry?
Your daughter showed me the leak in the ceiling, so I'm just gonna.
Yeah, I know that.
I'm trying to get up here. All right. Well, here's the air handler. Let's go to the other side. Oh, nothing dripping there. I really can't hear you because of the noise of the attic. I'm sorry. Ma'am, what's that again?
I'll go into the temp. And I turned off the AC. It's on downstairs.
No, okay. This is for the second floor, correct? Or for the whole house?
That AC is only for the upstairs.
Okay, is this thermostat on or off for cooling?
I just turned it off.
You just turned it off, so it's been on, okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Because yesterday,
Understood, okay. Because I don't see anything dripping up here, that's why I'm asking.
that light is on.
What light?
The light that is dripping down.
Okay, that's fine. There's nothing here. It's dripping. That light is. No, it doesn't make a difference. It's completely dry. Let's see if I can get. The hatch. Yeah, okay, it's fine. You're fine. You don't need to do that. Come on. What do we got here? Ow. There's literally nowhere to lay here. Everything is dry as a whistle. Man. not clogged. I don't know where this water's coming from, but emergency drain pan is dry. Drain's not clogged. Ow, ow, ow. That's clear. Oh man, there's literally no room here. This drain pan literally is too small. I don't know if we can push it. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't. Take a look at these notes from August 2024, right? This is what the homeowner called in on, the customer's complaint about the air handler was leaking to the ceiling below. The son looked at it and saw water in the drain pan, but also noted it was too small to accommodate the air handler. Right? That's crazy. So if you look at my notes, I'm actually the one who went up that attic last time. I was probably 20 pounds skinnier, right? And noted that the lack of maintenance, and it's filthy again, by the way. All that great stuff. Look at that. Pause the screen if you want, but there's all my notes from August 2024. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. But we, once again, sign them up for a annual maintenance, which is billed monthly, which not only divides up, that annual maintenance over a period of 12 months, but it also helps increase my business, the bottom line, and creating recurring revenue on a monthly basis. Our maintenance plans start at $29 a month, and they are a very, very good way to make sure that our clients, one of their biggest investments, their mechanical systems in their home, their place of work, their property, is well taken care of. And that's why Pipe Doctor Home Services and other companies offer maintenance plans for their clients. And mine are only billed on a monthly basis, and I do it's all managed through House Call Pro. House Call Pro is our CRM, Customer Relations Management System. It allows us to dispatch, schedule, receive payment, email out invoices, ask for reviews on our performance after a completion of a service call, and it's quite affordable. And it's also scalable. So as your business grows, House Call Pro grows with you as well. I got to tell you, I just recently fired our previous recurring management system through Global Payments Integrated. They're based in Utah. I had kept them on board for the last several years because I had over 100 maintenance agreements in that platform, and it became very expensive. Very, very expensive. My effective rate almost is 5%. Right? When you factor in their annual fee of $500, their biannual technology upgrade fee, the fee's up to yin-yang. With House Call Pro, I pay a flat rate for every single transaction, whether it's swiped or it's tapped, dipped, or entered in manually. And if you process a lot, like $1 million a year or more, you can negotiate your processing rate. I've negotiated a fairly good rate, and you could do that as well. Depends on what you're bringing to the table. But I love House Call Pro. I'm thankful to be a brand ambassador for the company. It's a great platform. If you have 1 or 2 trucks out on the road, you may want to check out ServicePal. I used ServicePal for about 15 years before we upgraded to House Call Pro. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow, since we did sign them up for a maintenance, tomorrow Derek and I are going to go out to this job, and we're going to run maintenance on those 2 systems. We're going to see what we could do and just get them up at 100% again. I offered the whole drain pan again, to put a right size emergency drain pan in, but listen, there's very little room up there to work with. It is what it is. We're going to have to do our best to make sure we keep them under a annual maintenance to prevent damage again to their ceiling. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.